Friends, welcome again. So in this video I will show you different kind of parity of this 3 by 3 by 9 Rubik's cube. So when we solve this cube, so we sometime we can face different kind of parity. Sometime we found parity in this middle layer. So this is our middle layer, this number 5 layer. So this is our middle layer. Sometime we find parity in this middle layer, sometime we find parity in this third layer and also in this third layer, and sometime we find parity in this fourth layer and in this fourth layer. So I will show you different kind of cases about this parity. So first I will create parity, then I will show you that how we can fix this parity. Okay, so this is our first parity. We can see in from top side in third layer we have parity, and from down side we also have same kind of parity. I mean, this is red blue, this is also red blue. These two piece needs to rotate in this side, and these red green and this red green we will rotate in this side. So this is our first parity, in which we can see our third layer is rotated, and from downside also is our third layer flipped. So when we find this kind of parity, then we will hold cube like that. One rotated piece we will place in our right side, and second portion we will place in our left side, and we will hold cube like that. And from there we will apply this algorithm. First we will rotate these 5 layer 2 time. So 1 2 3 5 4 5. So these are our 5 layer. We will rotate these 5 layer 2 time. So 1 and 2. And now we will apply R2, R1, R2. And now we will rotate F2, F1, F2. So now we will rotate 3 layer 2 time. We can check our cube from this side. So we will rotate these 3 layer. So this is 1 time and this is second time. Now we will rotate our these 2 layer 2 time. 1 and 2. Now you can check our cube is our parity is solving. So now we have this kind of face. So we will apply F2, you can see, and now we will rotate R2. Okay, so our parity has done and our cube is solved. We will just rotate like that, and you can see our parity is solved. So that was our first parity. Now I will show you second parity. Sometime we have parity with fourth layer. So first I will create this parity. So this is our second parity. We can see our fourth layer is disturbed. 1 2 3, and this is our fourth layer. From downside we can see 1 2 3, and this is our fourth layer. So these two layers are disturbed and our whole cube is solved. So when we find this kind of parity, so we will hold cube like that, and we will rotate these 5 layer 2 time, 1 and 2. Then we will rotate R2, then F2, F1, F2. Now we will rotate these 4 layer 2 time, 1 and 2. And now we will rotate these 3 layer 2 time, 1 and 2. So you can see once again we have created this situation. Now we will just rotate F2 like that. Now we will rotate R2 like that, and our cube is solved. So that was our second parity. Now I will create third and last parity, and I will show that how we will fix this kind of parity. So this is our last parity. In this parity we have only middle line disturbed. We can see this blue red we need to fix in this side, and this blue orange we need to fix in this side, and from top side we have disturb our one yellow piece, and from downside we have disturb our white piece. So when we solve this parity, our this portion will also solved. So we will just solve this parity. So our this portion will automatically solved. So again we will hold cube like that. We will place one rotated piece in right side, one in left side, and these two pieces we will place in our right side, and we will apply 5 layer 2 time. We will rotate. You can see 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2. Now we will apply R2, F2, and this time we will rotate top 4 layer 2 time, 1 and 2. So now you can see this kind of situation. Now we will just rotate F2 like that. Now we will rotate R2 as like that. Now we will again rotate these 5 layers 2 times, 1 and 2, and now you can see our cube is solved. We will just rotate this front layer. So our parity has solved. So you can see these three kind of parity we can face in this cube. So that was the solution of these parity.